Hello everyone, my name is Vijay Madhusurti, SES Institute of Management, subject Financial Management. Introduction to Financial Management. Financial management is a fundamental aspect of personal and professional success. It involves making informed designing about how to manage money effectively to achieve financial goals. Importance of financial management. Financial security. Proper financial management helps individual and business build a strong financial fundamental, ensuring stability and peace of mind. Goal achievement. Financial management enable individual to set realistic goals and create plan to achieve them, where it's buying a home, saving for retirement, or starting a business. Informed decision making. It's individual with the knowledge and skill to make sound financial decision, leading to better outcome and avoiding cost mistakes. Opportunity maximization. Effectively, financial management opens door to opportunity, allowing individually to invest wisely, grow their wealth, and achieve financial independence. Key principle of financial management. Budgeting. Create a budget is crucial for tracking income and expenses, helping individuals understand their spending habits and makes adjustment as needed. Saving. Setting aside a portion of income for further needs such as emergencies, retirement, or major purchase is initial for financial stability. Investing. Investing is a asset such as stock, bonds, or real estate can help grow wealth over time and personally beat initially. Financial planning and budgeting. Assess financial situation. Set financial goal. Create a budget. Track expenses. Review and adjust. Managing cash flow. Track income. Keep a record of all income source, individual salaries, investment. Monitor expenses. Track all spending, individual fixed cost like rent and utilize, and variable cost like entertainment and groceries. Analyze cash flow. Compare income and expenses to determine if you have a surplus or deficit. Develop strategic. Implement strategic to increase income, reduce unnecessary expenses, or manage debit effectively. Investing and portfolio management. Invest goal. Clearly define your investment objects such as retirement saving, growth, or income generation. Risk tolerance. Understand your comfort level with risks and choose investment accordingly. Balance potential return with potential losses. Diversification. Spread your investment across different asset classes such as stock, bonds, and real estate to reduce overall risks. Regular review. Periodically monitor your portfolio. Adjust your investing strategy as needed, as reliable to maintain your desired asset allocation. Risk management. Identify risks. Identify potential threats that could impact financial well-being. Assess risks. Evaluate the likelihood and certainty of each risk. Mitigate risks. Implement strategy to reduce or eliminate risks such as insurance or risk avoids. Monitor and reviews. Continuously monitor your risk management plan and make adjustments as necessary. Conclusion and key takeaway. Financial literacy and crucial. Understanding basic financial concept and principle is initially for making informed decisions. Building a budget is key. Tracking income and expenses help you control spending and achieve financial goals. Saving and investing are initial. Set aside money for future and consider investing to grow your wealth. Manage risks effectively. Identify and mitigate potential threat to your financial security.